Hey, it's Matt from McCullum Farms. We're over at our neighbors, and we got the Zipline done. We're going to take the first run at the platform. You see Josh up there with no helmet on, but he's got some pretty good insurance, so he doesn't care.
All right, ready?
Yeah, let's do it. How was it?
Good, except for I was going to hit the tree a little harder than I wanted to.
Okay.
But the kids will go great because they're a lot lighter than me. You want to try it?
I'll wait till everyone's here.
I'll try it again. Let's see that.
So we've got the line just hooked up between a couple of trees. We've got wraps around the trees to kind of protect the bark, and a small platform that we built. Just a really simple setup. Everything comes undone, so when you're done, you can just carry it up to the other side. Let's let them get up there. We'll see what happens next. All right, we're gonna get back up. Right now, we just have a regular ladder, but we got an actual platform. Or actually, I think he's got some 2x4s nailed up there. Ready?
Yeah.
And the zip line is definitely a success. It's Matt from McCullum Farms. I'm going to put a link to the zipline kit that we used for this in the comment sections if I can find it. It's Matt with McCullum Farms. If you enjoy the videos, please consider giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to the channel. It's much appreciated and it helps the channel grow. Till next time, have a great day.